Central Intelligence Agency, CIA.
You mean spies and all of that?
Your husband was wanted by the United States government. I'm very much afraid that you are in a great deal of danger.
Why should I be in any danger?
You're Charles Voss's wife. Now that he's dead, you're their only lead.
Mr. Bartholomew, if you're trying to frighten me, you're doing a first-rate job.
Don't trust him. Don't tell him anything. He's after the money.
If she's got the money, I'll find out about it.
Oh, I don't know who anybody is.
Charles Voss stole $250,000 from the United States government. I'm afraid we want it back.